Things are not easy with security cameras either. There are many cases where the security camera's footage is not clear and many glitches arise. Sometimes security cameras stop working abruptly. I am sure few of us had experience with default security cameras. No more worries. We have brought some of the best home security cameras that will ensure your security. Brace yourself as I'm going to reveal the names. Arlo Ultra 2. Advanced home security CCTV systems such as the Arlo Ultra 2 provide outstanding safety and control. Using its 4K Ultra HD resolution, it can capture detailed, clear video even in the total darkness. Furthermore, the camera has improved night vision, which enables it to recognize faces and objects up to 25 feet away. Its 180-degree range of vision removes blind spots and enables real-time PC or smartphone monitoring. To lower false alarms, the camera also has advanced motion detection and warnings. The Mutual Audio system allows for simple communication with guests or criminals. It's a trustworthy choice due to its simple setup and connectivity with smart home systems. To add more details, the Arlo Ultra 2 is a single-color, waterproof, and small home security camera with a 180-degree lens, an LED spotlight, and a detachable rechargeable battery. It has a glossy white housing. The camera can be used freestanding or fixed on a wall. Via a micro SD card slot, the Smart Hub provides local storage for video and establishes a connection with the router to enable internet access. Throughout the day and night, the camera captures crisp, vivid color footage with a 180-degree field of vision and no fisheye distortion. The camera features a 12 times magnification for close-up shots. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. Do you know, a modern home security camera that offers an excellent level of safety and ease is the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. It has two extremely powerful LED lights with motion-activated capabilities. With motion-activated capabilities to offer steady lighting and warn away would-be criminals. Furthermore, the camera reduces false alarms by providing high-definition video monitoring with a 140-degree field of view and excellent motion detection capabilities. With the Ring app, you can monitor your property from anywhere in the world and receive notifications in real time on your device of choice. The IP65 weather-resistant Floodlight Cam Wired Pro is a camera that uses twin portable 2000 lumen LED lights with a 3000K color temperature. Having dimensions of 7x7 by 12.8 by 8.5 inches, the device includes a speaker, microphone, siren, infrared light LEDs for night vision in black and white, and a 1080p HDR sensor. The camera utilizes a dual-band Wi-Fi radio to make a connection to your home network. It is suitable for Ring devices, Alexa voice commands, and IFTTT-enabled third-party devices for smart homes. The camera has adjustable privacy zones for privacy management and is built to resist severe weather. Google Nest Cam Battery. The name sounds interesting, right? Its details are more intriguing too. Given the wireless functionality and strong battery life, the Google Nest Cam Battery is a game changer in home security systems. In addition to recording clear pictures during the day, the high-definition camera shines at night because of its advanced night vision capabilities. Anytime something unexpected in the routine happens, smartphone users get alerts from its intelligent warning system, which may differentiate between routine movements and suspicious activity. The device can be easily integrated into any setting thanks to its elegant design, and users may share videos with friends and family thanks to its cloud-based storage. Due to Nest Cam's smooth interaction with other smart devices in the Google environment, tracking and informing authorities can be performed with simplicity. Given its flexibility, intelligence, and smooth integration, the Nest Cam is a homage to the security sector's future. Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery. This fact will surprise you all. A trustworthy and easy-to-use home security camera, none other than the Ring Stick-Up Cam Batteries, offers homeowners an adaptable means to keep an eye on their property. With a 115-degree angle of vision, 1080p HD video quality, and wireless design, homeowners can put the camera virtually anywhere in their house without being bothered about wiring problems. Moreover, utilizing the built-in speaker and microphone, the camera also provides two-way audio interaction, allowing interaction in real time with any individual on the internet. It also offers remote access through the Ring application, so customers may maintain an eye on their house from anywhere in the globe. Any modern home would benefit from having this intelligent and adaptable security system, which gives homeowners who are worried about criminals to relax. Roku Indoor Camera SE. This security camera's features will make you stunned. The Roku Indoor Camera SE becomes an essential part of your house in a world where security and safety are of the highest priority. This home security camera raises the bar for comfort within the home with its creative design and operations that concentrate on meeting the requirements of the user. Moreover, Modern Times Compact Protection combines a steady commitment to your family's safety, along with simple integration with your daily life in the shape of the Roku Indoor Camera SE. Offering up a world of possibilities, it offers both safety as well as understanding in equal measure. Moreover, the Roku Indoor Camera SE is easy to install and matches well with any room. Watching the home day and night, due to its clear, high-definition pictures, you will never have a problem. TP-Link Tapo C420S2. The TP-Link Tapo C420S2 is not just an ordinary security camera. Its specialties will shock you enough. In addition to offering high-definition video quality, the TP-Link Tapo C420S2 home security camera also has a broad 114-degree field of view and night vision. The TP-Link Tapo app enables remote control and real-time conversation with others nearby. Setup is simple with the camera's user-friendly interface and capability with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Along with motion detection and immediate alerts. It also enables encrypted online storage and local backup on a micro SD card. An excellent choice for home security is the TP-Link Tapo C420S2. Lorex 2K Pan Tilt Wi-Fi W462AQCE. Houses have always been places of great importance for safety and comfort. However, Lorex has once again raised the standard in the age of technological innovations. The Lorex 2K Pan Tilt Wi-Fi W462AQCE is a home security camera that expertly combines modern technology with a user-friendly design. Home security camera footage that was blurry and unclear is gone. This amazing device from Lorex ensures that your devices will always see clear, sharp images because of its 2K resolution. Besides, the focus on users' layout and innovative technology of the Lorex 2K Pan Tilt Wi-Fi W462AQCE home security camera is fresh by Lorex. Its 2K resolution makes the ability to track deliveries and animals, amongst other users, for obvious clear footage. Furthermore, the camera features pan tilt abilities, which provides blind spot removal and a wider field of vision. Simple and comfortable to operate, the camera's Wi-Fi ability ensures an easy connection procedure and actual time watching. It is evident that the technology can enhance safety at home because of its sleek shape and simple interface. TP-Link CasaCam KC120. Small and durable, the TP-Link CasaCam KC120 is a home security camera with superb night vision, a user-friendly design, and high-quality video recording capabilities. It offers excellent security while mixing in easily with any natural area, by reducing false alerts and offering the comfort of consideration. The PowerSource Casa Intelligent app allows consumers to watch live streams, view videos, and change options. Additionally, the camera includes audio that is two-way to ensure one can speak to your loved ones or animals. How insane! The lens can be easily controlled by using voice assistants such as Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Any home security camera must provide privacy, and the KC120 does so via an actual camera shutter and a range of adaptable settings for privacy. The innovative KC120 security system for homes gives you control over the safety of your home and the comfort of your heart. A safer, smarter, and more connected home may be attained by investing in the TP-Link CasaCam KC120. Eufy SoloCam S40. We are used to the old black and white security cameras and unclear vision, but are you aware of the new modern securities? A wide range of capabilities and are available on the latest generation Eufy SoloCam S40 security camera to ensure the safety of your belongings and loved ones. It is a stylish improvement for any house due to its straightforward layout and easy setup. During the day or night, every detail is recorded by the camera's 2K resolution and powerful HDR technology. Additionally, it employs AI technology to differentiate between innocent movements from significant incidents, giving you immediate alerts on your smartphone. Furthermore, the camera's inbuilt speaker and microphone enable two-way communication, improving convenience and security. Since maintaining your privacy is of the utmost importance, the camera keeps all of its videos immediately on the ground station that comes alongside it. Arlo Video Doorbell. It is not the normal security system that you're thinking about. An innovative home security camera, the Arlo Video Doorbell has several capabilities that enhance home security. Its modern elegance and security are combined in a sleek form that complements the beauty of your home. You can easily identify people and packages due to the camera's superb visibility and 2K HDR video quality. It offers full coverage given its large 180-degree diagonal field of view. False alarms are less common thanks to its integrated motion sensor and configurable activity zones to give you a sense of control and presence even while you're not at home. The camera also has a two-way audio system that lets you talk and hear from any unwanted guest. Pretty interesting, right? In terms of home security, the Arlo Video Doorbell is innovative as it provides unparalleled safety, convenience, and comfort of concern. Reolink Argus 3 Pro. A modern surveillance device that offers excellent home security is the Reolink Argus 3 Pro. The 100% wire-free design makes installation simple, and the 4MP camera with modern moonlight technology produces clean, vivid footage. Batteries that can be recharged power the camera, and an optional solar panel can provide an infinite source of electricity. Do you know the Argus 3 Pro offers intelligent playback and warnings, identifying vehicle and human patterns to deliver pertinent notifications. Real-time notifications are available through the easy-to-use Reolink app, and users may relive significant events through replay and live view features. Moreover, real-time two-way communication is possible with the integrated speaker and microphone, and for extra security, a siren is provided. Due to the ability to adapt, the Argus 3 Pro may be placed anywhere, from the backyard to the front porch or even in a baby's nursery, to act as a watchful monitor. As a watchful guardian in an unpredictable world, the Argus 3 Pro makes sure that home stays where it's meant to be. Aqera Camera Hub G3. In a world that is constantly changing, having reliable security cameras for your home is essential. You can now live with peace of mind while keeping an ongoing watch of your family, friends, and possessions with the Aqera Camera Hub G3. This innovative home security camera is revolutionary. It offers an abundance of features that set it apart in the competitive market. The Aqera Camera Hub G3 is a complete home security system that further effortlessly works with your smart home, not just another security camera. This gadget is intended to serve as the focal point of your home security system, giving you an entire package that guarantees the safety of your house. It's also fairly straightforward to install and operate this camera. It connects to your Wi-Fi network without any problems, and the Aqera app guides you through the entire setup process. With just a few impacts on your smartphone, you can keep an eye on your property from anywhere in the world. Featuring the ability to create customized plans and activity zones, the app also gives you the freedom to make sure you only receive alerts from the things that are important. NuiCam 360. It is not an ordinary camera. Do you know why? Nui 360 camera will automatically sense and track the action in your home from any perspective. With no need to manually adjust or mount multiple cameras, the camera has a 101-degree field of view and rotates 355 degrees horizontally and 94 degrees vertically. Pan and tilt easily with the Nui app. Never miss a moment about your family. You may also like Nui 360 twin free delivery in 3 to 5 days. 24-hour customer service, 12-month limited warranty with modern features like detection of movement, laser night vision, full HD 1080p quality, two-way communication, and interaction with smart home natural systems. The NuiCam 360 is a modern home security camera. It is a cheap, reliable choice for security at home and comfort of ease, as it is simple to install and is reasonably priced. Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24. In a world where safety and comfort are limited, the Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24 shines as a guardian angel for your most treasured areas. This stylish and cutting-edge home security camera provides modern functionality, effortless integration, and unmatched trustworthiness, completely altering the requirements for inside monitoring. Breaking the norms for inside tracking is the sleek and creative Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24, a home security system. It is a constant guardian for your house and loved ones, providing modern conveniences, smooth integration, and unmatched durability. Boasting its 2-megapixel resolution and powerful HDR technology, the camera delivers bright, sharp photos. Its night vision capabilities also provide continuous protection. With its two-way audio, AI-powered human identification, and smooth interaction with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, it represents privacy. Apart from this, the camera has a local storage capacity for video recordings, and it may be further secured with optional AES 256-bit encryption. With the confidence you need to feel completely safe and protected, the Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24 is a guardian for your most valued areas. Arlo Go 2. In a world that is shifting quickly, home security is essential. In this effort, the Arlo Go 2 home security camera shines brightly, indicating the future of home security. Combining availability, functionality, and technology, the Arlo Go 2 home security camera is an innovative advance in home security. Go anywhere, monitoring is supported by its wire-free layout, which makes setup simple and transportable. To provide continuous streaming and updates even in remote areas, the camera also has a built-in cellular connection. With its sophisticated night vision technology, it captures precise high-definition footage that reveals every detail. Sharing clips is made easier by cloud storage choices, real-time notifications, and remote control offered by the user-friendly app integrations. An essential component of a networked house, the camera is also compatible with several smart home devices. Already been impressed by its details? Go grab your one too. A guarantee of peace of mind and a monument to improvements in home security is the Arlo Go 2. Lockley Vision Elite. A modern home security camera that provides outstanding safety as well as tracking is the Lockley Vision Elite. The Lockley Vision, a smart lock and video doorbell combo device, offers multiple unlock options but lacks motion detection and night vision. The upgrade Vision Elite adds these features: a 1080p camera and solar panel power. However, it lacks third-party integration support. Its modern technology and user-friendly design offer an entire home safety solution. Featuring its 4K ultra-high-definition value, the camera provides clear video throughout the day as well as at night. Its motion identification system, driven by AI, minimizes false alerts and sends precise notifications. For further privacy, the camera has a mechanical privacy shutter. It is connected with popular apps like Google Assistant and Alexa from Amazon, and it blends in nicely with your smart home surroundings. Its adaptable, weather-resistant design, which makes both indoors and outdoors installation simple. With the all-inclusive Lockley Vision Elite home security system, you can be sure you're always informed and in charge. Put your faith in Lockley Vision Elite to watch out for you. Logitech Circle View. The name itself sounds very interesting, right? Do you have any guesses? The Circle View wired camera offers Apple HomeKit Secure Video, the best-in-class video quality with Logitech TrueView technology. Why? As it features 1080p HD video, an ultra-wide 180-degree diagonal field of view, clear contrast, and enhanced infrared night vision of up to 15 feet away. A weatherproof home security camera that provides year-round protection is the Logitech Circle View. Setup is simple due to its simple interface and Wi-Fi connectivity. It provides peace of mind with its flawless integration into your smart home and features like high-definition video, night vision, and privacy controls. Secure remote storage of footage is ensured by the camera's remote storage option. Get the Logitech Circle View to make your house a safer place. The camera's innovative design allows for quick privacy or complete disabling of streaming and recording. Pretty insane, right? What kind of security cameras are you used to? Which product has interested you the most? Share all of your opinions with us through the comments section. As usual, if you found this content enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. To stay informed about our exciting videos, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you won't miss any of our updates. Until next time, remember to take good care of yourself.